My career as an automotive improvement expert began when I modified my first car. Since then, as a car enthusiast and published author, my obsession with the automobile has led me to enhance tons of vehicles, both inside and out. That's why I'm thrilled to be a part of a brand new series designed to help keep your car looking great and your engine running like new. I'm Chris Duke, and welcome to eHow's Auto Center, brought to you by Mobil 1.
Hey Chris, I've heard a lot of talk about engine wear. What can I do to prevent this? Can you give me some examples?
Well, thanks for your question. Wear can occur when parts in your engine rub together. There really is no way to prevent wear, but you can reduce it. Wear happens anywhere there's friction in the engine. Now, to the layman, this might all just look like a pile of metal blocks, tubes, and wires, but to us, it's a finely tuned machine, carefully engineered so that all the pieces fit precisely together and work in unison. When your engine is running, oil circulates through the moving parts to keep them separated and provide protection. We can't keep engines running 24/7 though. Oil stops flowing and begins to settle the second you turn it off, which can leave critical parts with less protection at startup. Synthetic lubricants can help reduce wear because they tend to flow more quickly to critical engine parts on startup, especially on cold days when oil is thicker. Synthetic lubricants are also more stable at higher temperatures, helping them to maintain a protective film in the most extreme conditions. Conventional oils can start to break down earlier in particularly high temperatures. To reduce wear, you need to do more than just keep parts separated. The oil chemistry or product formulation is important. The most advanced synthetic oils contain carefully optimized additive systems that have been shown to help minimize wear, so careful consideration should be given when selecting your motor oil. Also, to prevent engine wear, make sure you maintain your vehicle and follow the manual's recommendation for oil drain intervals. Well, I hope that I've given you a good understanding of engine wear and how to help keep it at bay as much as possible. For eHow's Auto Center, I'm Chris Duke. Here's to helping keep your car running like new.